In our rapidly changing world, the importance of strong families cannot be overstated. Families provide the foundation for a resilient society, and biblical wisdom offers valuable insights into nurturing healthy relationships and building harmonious communities. By unpacking the role of family through a biblical lens, we can discover timeless principles that guide us towards a stronger and more prosperous society. The power of family, unraveling biblical insights for a resilient society. The Bible portrays family as a fundamental unit of society, emphasizing its importance in shaping individuals and communities. Biblical teachings highlight the significance of marriage, parent-child relationships, and intergenerational bonds. For instance, the book of Proverbs emphasizes the role of parents in teaching wisdom to their children, stating, "Train up a child in the way he should go, even when he is old, he will not depart from it." Proverbs 22 verse 6. This verse underscores the enduring impact of parental guidance, demonstrating how strong families contribute to the overall resilience of society. Moreover, the Bible encourages love, respect, and care within families. Ephesians 5 verse 25 advises husbands to love their wives sacrificially, while Colossians 3 verse 21 urges fathers not to provoke their children, but to bring them up in nurturing environments. These teachings highlight the importance of mutual respect and support within family units, fostering an atmosphere of trust and harmony. When families prioritize love and respect, they serve as a powerful force for social cohesion, creating a resilient society that can withstand challenges and promote the well-being of its members, building stronger communities, unveiling the biblical foundations of family harmony. Beyond individual families, the biblical perspective also emphasizes the role of families in building stronger communities. The Book of Psalms celebrates the blessings of unity, proclaiming, "Behold, how good and pleasant it is when brothers dwell in unity." Psalm 133 verse 1. This verse underscores the importance of familial harmony, as it sets the foundation for wider community cohesion. When families demonstrate love, compassion, and cooperation, these values ripple outwards, positively influencing the social fabric of neighborhoods, cities, and nations. Furthermore, the Bible highlights the responsibility of families to care for the vulnerable and disadvantaged. James 1 verse 27 states, "Religion that is pure and undefiled before God the Father is this, to visit orphans and widows in their affliction." This verse underscores the biblical mandate to extend compassion and support to those in need. When families embrace this call to care for the marginalized, they contribute to the creation of inclusive communities that prioritize the welfare of all their members. As we navigate the complexities of modern society, the guidance offered by biblical wisdom remains timeless and relevant. Understanding the role of family through a biblical lens provides us with invaluable insights into fostering resilient societies. By prioritizing love, respect, and care within our families, we contribute to the overall well-being and harmony of our communities. As we build stronger families, we lay the foundation for a stronger society, one that stands the test of time and thrives in the face of challenges.